Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Android apps crashing or not responding. So guys, if your Android apps are crashing or not responding on your Android device, there could be a lot of different reasons why that's happening. But today I'm going to try and show you as many solutions as possible to try and get your problem resolved. So the very first solution you can try is simply to hold your power button and hit the restart button to restart your device. This is a very simple solution, but sometimes it does work. Okay, next, let's open up our Play Store. And in the top left, we have the three lines. Click on that, and then click on My Apps and Games. And then here, this will show us if any of our apps need to be updated. So you'll have a button that says Update or Install all updates if you have an app that needs to be updated. Sometimes if the app you're using isn't using the most recent update, that could be the reason why it's crashing. So if you have any updates, I would install them right here. Okay, next, if that doesn't work, pull down your drop-down menu, and then in the top right, hit the gear to go into your settings. And then you're going to want to scroll down to Apps. So we'll go into Apps. And then from here, you're going to want to find the app that is crashing or giving you problems. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to use my Discord app. So I'm going to pretend that it's my Discord app that's giving me problems. So we'll scroll down to Discord or whatever app you need to fix. So click on it and then go into storage. And then you'll have two buttons, clear cache and clear data. And we're going to want to click both of those. So we're going to do clear cache and then clear data. Hit OK. And like I said, guys, this is the same for any app you want to fix. It's just the exact same process. I'm just using Discord as an example. So I would do that. And then go back. And then we also have the force stop option. So we'll hit force stop as well. This will just force close the app essentially. So we do all that and then we go and open the app back up and that should fix our problem. However, if your problem still isn't fixed, you can go back and you're going to want to find the app. We're in apps again. You're going to want to find the app called Android System Web View. So we find that, and you can also search for it up top here using the magnifying glass, either one. But anyways, click on Android System Web View. And then in the top right, we're going to have the three circles. And then we're going to have this button that says Uninstall Updates. And we're going to press that and then hit OK. And sometimes that will fix your problem as well, uninstalling the updates. Okay. Very last thing you can try if none of that worked is find the app once again in your apps list. So I'm going to find Discord. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down. And like I said, this is the same with any app. I'm just using Discord as an example. And then we have the button that says App Details in Store. So we hit that, and that will take us to the app in the Google Play Store. And then from here, we have the uninstall button. So that's going to be our last step is try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Okay, so we'll uninstall it here and then we'll hit install. So from here, I would reinstall the app, open it back up and see if that fixed your problem and if it's no longer crashing or not responding. So guys, that's all the solutions. I hope one of them worked out for you. If they did, leave us a comment. If you have any questions, or if you want to leave a suggestion for a topic that we should cover in the future, you can leave that in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.